Hello everyone, so today I have an unboxing from Fashionphile, and from the size of this box, I think I'm already disappointed, so stick around. Hello everyone and welcome. If you're new to my channel, my name is Caleb, and on here you're going to find a lot of things like luxury shopping, reveals, reviews, unboxings, luxury travel, daily vlogs, pretty much anything that has to do with life and style. You've guessed it, you'll find it right here. Now, I post new content every Wednesday and Sunday morning at 10 a.m. Central Time, and if that's not enough for you, you can find me over on Instagram, caleb.snell.designer, and make sure to hit subscribe, thumbs up, comments, the whole 9 yards. We love to see it around here, and let's get into it, today's unboxing. If you guys remember, I posted a, guess what bag I bought, and I ended up buying 2 YSL bags. They're both on the list. The majority of you guessed right, but one of them arrived today, in a very small box. So today, if you haven't already guessed, I found another large Muse Two. How they fit it in this tiny box is beyond me, and I'm a little nervous and a little worried, so let's dive in. Now, you all know I never post like an actual unboxing on camera because I can't wait. I want to make sure I like it, the whole 9 yards. But today's an exception. Zane and I just went shopping and this was in the package room. It actually took me a minute to find because I was expecting a much larger box because after all, it's not a tiny bag. When I saw this, my heart sank and I was like, oh my God, they've squished it in this tiny box and they've ruined the handle. As you can tell, the one that I already have, the handle is a little misshapen, probably because at some point someone smashed it in a tiny box, much like this. So, my fellow bag collectors, you can tell why I'm nervous. I'm gonna cut into this, we're gonna pull all the crap out, and then we're gonna take a look. All right, so the usual accoutrement in here, we have the paperwork, which we'll look at later. I don't see the nail file yet. Oh, this is really smashed in here. So I don't know if you guys can see, but this bag is really squished down in here. Let's just get it out. Let's peel off the Band-Aid, take it out of here. You guys, I was so excited for this, and this is going to be a letdown. These are not easy to find, especially in good condition, in the large size, and it weighs a ton, so that's kind of cool. All right, get rid of this stuff, and they literally flattened this bag. All right, let's get this poor thing out of this teeny tiny dust bag and out of this dust bag. Oh, wow, they did me dirty. Okay, it doesn't look that bad, but that's still horrendous shipping, Fashionphile. Shame on you. You should do better than that. Okay, so as you can tell, I got the large Muse Two in the suede. This is the worst Fashionphile experience I've ever had. Like, this is, as much as I've shopped with them and championed them and talked about them in nearly every pre-owned video I've had, and this is how they send me a bag. Granted, this came from the New Jersey site. I've never had issues really from the California site. I mean, yes, I know there's bigger things going on in the world and I'm upset about how they shipped a bag. I get it. It's ironic, sure, but still. Let me gather my thoughts and maybe hit the reset button before I go any further for you guys, because I don't have much nice to say. So give me just a few minutes. I've taken a minute. I've recomposed myself. I stuffed it just to see if it would bounce back up to life, and I mean, overall, it's a beautiful bag. I love this bag. So as you know, this design, this was my first Stefano Pilati designed bag, the YSL Muse Two. This was the kind of the flagship of this version. This is the one that Kate Moss photographed with when the bag was first released. I've wanted this bag ever since. Back then, obviously. I loved it so much, I've been looking and looking and looking. I found one on Vestiaire Collective that I liked. They're asking a lot, but it was gorgeous. I have been waiting for Fashionphile to get another large in stock because that's where I bought my first one. They finally did. And this one, like I said, it wasn't very much. I think it was like $450 before tax, maybe $440, I don't remember. All in, I think I paid less than $5. It's a gorgeous bag. This one is in the same kind of nubuck crocodile faux croc as the blue version, except it's the entire bag. And rather than just being a a canvas bodied bag like this one is actually done in the suede, and it's the same suede on the lining as well. So it's a beautiful bag. I'm just incredibly disappointed in how whoever at Fashionphile was working shipping that day decided to smash this gorgeous bag into a teeny tiny box. Not cool, not a fan. This bag supposedly came with its original dust bag, which I see here. Okay, so there's like a strange double-lined dust bag that's sewn together, and it has the classic YSL on the front. I do kind of miss these dust bags. These are very nice. It's in gorgeous condition for its age, especially considering it's one of the suede bags. And even though Fashionphile, you squished it, the handle's still in pretty good shape. This one does kind of drive me nuts just with how wonky it is, but I think that's going to happen with a relaxed bag of this style, but this looks good, so I am happy. Now, the interior is, like I said, just lined in the suede. It's a beautiful color. Do any of you have the suede version? Has the color ever rubbed off onto your SLGs? I'm a little nervous about that, so let me know down in the comments. All right, guys, so I'm gonna give you a quick close-up and then we're gonna do a little comparison between the canvas and the suede. I can already tell you the suede weighs a lot more. Stick around. All right, so these are my two Muse Twos, say that 5 times fast, up close and personal. Now, I think that the Stefano Pilati era at YSL is often largely overlooked. He gave us gorgeous bags. He gave us the Muse Two, the Muse, the Rhodey, the Tribute, the Easy, Satchel, the Cabas Chic, and spoiler alert, one of the above mentioned bags will be joining my collection here in a few weeks, which I'm super excited. I've wanted this bag for probably about 15 years now, just like the Muse Two, and I found it in a gorgeous jewel tone, so I cannot wait to share that with you guys. It's gonna look so good with these two. Anyway, let's do a quick comparison between the suede body and the canvas body. All right, so once it's empty of its stuffing, you can tell that this just has a gorgeous suede lining. It's so tactile, it's lush, it's gorgeous. It has the Yves Saint Laurent Rive Gauche stamped there on the front with the date code and made in Italy on the back side. Like most carrying houses, the Balenciaga tags are very similar to this as well. And interior, it's stunning. It's in really good condition overall. I think the previous owner took top-notch care of this bag. The suede is still beautiful. The hardware is still nice and bright. And also, these aren't nearly as stretched out as my other ones. So I really don't think that whoever owned this previously carried this as much as they should have, because it's a gorgeous bag. Now, does it weigh a lot? Absolutely. Even empty, it's still a pretty hefty bag. I mean, this one has some weight to it, which I'm fine with. I mean, I'm 6'7", so a hefty bag isn't anything too crazy for me. I'm used to my bigger, heavier bags as it is. Overall, the exterior, so you'll have the suede body peeking through the panels. Again, this was a patchwork bag, so they have just the nubuck panels sewn to the interior body of the bag, the suede. And then you do have the exterior bottom with the rails and the 5-post feet there at the bottom as well, with YSL in the center, of course. And it's a beautiful bag. Again, I am not one who's for mock exotics. I've never been a fan, but for some reason, he's not going to sit up without anything in it. For some reason, the YSL Muse Two and the mock speaks to me. I'm here for it. Now, you've all seen the canvas version before. This is my first Muse Two. Obviously not my last. I love, love, love this bag. So again, very simply, well, I mean, not very simply constructed. It's just going to be the canvas interior with the exterior leather panels sewn to the canvas. It's a very unique construction, beautifully done, absolutely gorgeous. I love this color combo just because you have the lighter interior, so you can easily look in and see your stuff at a glance. It's so convenient. Of course, you have the YSL zipper there on the zippered pocket on the center, and then again, YSL Rive Gauche stamped on the front. Now, the back of both bags has an exterior slip pocket, and this is super convenient just because it's just 3 posts that hold it closed, and then you can easily fit your phone down there, tablet, a wallet if you needed to have quick and easy access to that and you don't want to fiddle with all these posts on the front. I mean, overall, it's a very stunning bag, and I think that given how big it was for the YSL line, not even 15 years ago, to be kind of a forgotten bag, it's kind of sad because it's such a great bag. And honestly, the more I'm looking at these, I'm loving both. I think they're gorgeous. All right, guys, and that is the up close look at the Muse Two. God, those are gorgeous. All right, guys, so that is my new to me YSL large Muse Two. Was it a great unboxing experience? No, and I'm sure it wasn't fun to watch either, so I do apologize for that. If you want to watch literally any of my other unboxings, trust me, they're a lot more fun than this one. I was just a little disappointed. We've all been there, it happens. Unfortunately, they just did a terrible job shipping it. Anyway, you guys, I'll probably keep it. I'm on the fence a little bit just because of the way they sent it, but I mean, I'll probably keep it. Like I said, these are kind of hard to find, and this green color with the suede and the gold hardware, it's a vibe. It's gorgeous. I'll post an update on Instagram whether or not I decide to keep it. I mean, you'll probably eventually see me wearing it, so that'll be a dead giveaway. I'm 99% probably going to keep it. Let's just be honest. It's a gorgeous bag. Anyway, guys, thank you for stopping by today. Again, apologize. It was kind of a negative video. I don't like putting those out, but this is life. It happens. It's natural once in a while. And yeah, the Muse Two. If you don't already have this bag, I mean, get it because it's absolutely amazing. I've posted a review on this one, so I'll make sure to link that down below, and also the unboxing. I think I paired this with a Balenciaga Gucci Hacker Project piece. So it's just a fun unboxing in general, unlike today's. Again, very sorry. All right, so until next time, thank you all again for stopping by. Thanks for putting up with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great week. Stay safe and have fun. All right, guys. Bye-bye.